Go. Oh, don't let go. Don't let go. You gotta hold on.
Nunu, hold on. You have to hold on.
Hold it tight.
Use your muscles, Nunu. Hang tight.
Tight as possible.
Pull Dilly to you. There you go.
There you go. Are you having fun? Now be careful. We don't pull him. Uh-oh, he let go.
1 second.
Okay, now hold it tight.
Hold on as tight as you can, Nunu.
Here comes Dilly. You have to be careful because we don't want him to fall. Uh-oh. Dylan fell over. You got to show Dilly, you got to show Nunu how to ride the tricycle.
Nunu, here. Nunu, I got an idea. Nunu, hold these two.
Wait a minute, Dylan's got... What's on the floor?
Oh, is there a dust pile? Daddy still needs to vacuum that. Don't worry about that.
Don't worry.
Just don't go too fast.